The Samsung Galaxy A55 is back with a bang. This year's model promises to be a game changer in the mid-range market. Samsung has packed in some serious upgrades, making the A55 smoother, faster, and more enjoyable to use. From the display to the performance, everything feels noticeably improved. Plus, the camera remains reliable, ensuring you can capture those special moments. Let's dive deeper and see if the A55 lives up to the hype. The look and feel of the A55 has gotten a big upgrade this year. Say goodbye to that cheap plastic frame you might remember from last year's model. This time around, Samsung is giving us a phone that feels much more expensive. The A55 now has a smooth, stylish aluminum frame that's not only better looking, but also sturdier. It's like the difference between a phone that feels like a toy and one that feels like it can take a bump or two. Plus, the A55 can handle rain and spills with no problem thanks to its IP67 water resistance rating. So no need to worry if you get caught in a downpour or accidentally knock over your drink. Overall, the design of the A55 is a big step up and makes it feel more like a premium phone. Step up your viewing experience with the A55's impressive 6.6-inch OLED display. This technology offers a significant advantage over traditional LCD screens by delivering superior contrast and deeper blacks. Imagine watching a movie. The dark space scenes will appear truly inky, while highlights and explosions will pop with incredible vibrancy. The display's sharp 1080p resolution ensures everything looks crisp and detailed, from browsing photos to reading text. But the real star of the show is the smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means the image refreshes 120 times per second, resulting in butter-smooth visuals with no stuttering or blurring, a major benefit for gamers and anyone who appreciates a fluid user experience. It's worth noting that a higher refresh rate can slightly impact battery life, but for many users, the visual improvement will be a worthwhile trade-off. Overall, the A55's display is a major upgrade that elevates the phone's multimedia capabilities. The A55 packs a punch under the hood with its new Exynos 1480 processor. This means the phone should run noticeably faster than last year's model, letting you switch between apps and games without any sluggishness. Samsung listened to customer feedback and improved battery life. We were able to get an impressive 13 hours of screen time on a single charge, which is enough to last most users a full day. Even though the phone doesn't have the absolute fastest charging available, the 25 watts fast charging can get you back in action quickly. Storage options are plentiful with the A55. The base model comes with 128GB, which is enough for most people's photos, apps, and games. If you take a ton of pictures or videos, there's a 256GB option to choose from. Plus, you can always add even more storage with a microSD card if needed. The camera system on the A55 might not be the excellent, but it delivers solid results for everyday use. It retains the familiar triple lens setup from its predecessor. A 50-megapixel main sensor promises sharp and vivid photos in good lighting conditions. This high resolution ensures you can capture details and zoom in without losing quality. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor is a welcome feature, especially at this price point. Unlike some competitors, the A55 offers this wider perspective for capturing expansive landscapes, group photos in tight spaces, or creative shots with a broader view. A 5-megapixel macro sensor is included for capturing close-up shots of small subjects like insects, flowers, or tiny details. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera provides enough resolution for capturing selfies. But low-light photography might be a weak spot for both the main and front-facing cameras. The A55 goes beyond hardware with Samsung's feature-rich One UI 6.1 built on Android 14. This software empowers extensive customization, letting you tailor the phone's look and feel to your taste. From themes and wallpapers to notification sounds and animations, personalization is at your fingertips. Samsung's renowned software update commitment ensures the A55 receives major updates for 4 years, keeping your phone secure and optimized for years to come. In short, the A55 isn't just powerful, it's a future-proof investment. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is a great choice in the mid-range phone market. It has a fancy design, a beautiful display, a battery that lasts a long time, and cameras that take good pictures in most situations. However, the fact that it's not available in the US and it costs a little more than some other similar phones might make you choose something else. To help you decide, be sure to check out our reviews of the Galaxy A35, a more affordable option within the Samsung family. You might also want to consider the Galaxy A15 and A25 to see how they compare to the A55 in terms of features, price, and performance. After watching those reviews, you'll be in a great position to decide which Samsung Galaxy phone is the best fit for you. Thinking about getting a new phone soon? We cover all things tech here on this channel. So if you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, consider subscribing for the latest phone updates and reviews. We release new videos every week, and we'd love to have you join our channel. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the A55 and if it seems like a good phone for you.